guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE magazine page channel. Now in today's videos guys, I'm going to show you behind the scenes stuff, where I'm filming currently right now and how this room is actually look like, and talking about the real stuff of being an online entrepreneur, of an online artist or an artist in general. So I'm going to show you my room and my desk where I'm working as an artist, making and playing with the colors and all that, and also an online entrepreneur. And we will going to talk about some real stuff of being an online entrepreneur, and maybe share some tips and share some views so far with my journey of being an online entrepreneur. So if you're interested in that, then let's get started with that, guys. Room actually look like, now my room is a little bit messy, guys. This is messy room, I know. I'm just going to show you exactly. This is my favorite planners. Like, I tend to write a lot, and this is my paper where I tend to write a lot of the things that I need to accomplish in a day, in a week, in a month. A lot, guys. I really love writing it, so I tend to write each and everything what I want to do, what are the things that I have in my mind, how I'm feeling in the day, how my thoughts are going. I just tend to write it down, sometimes on the paper itself, and sometimes I have a journal. Let me show you my journal, guys. So this is my journal. So I just write onto the piece of paper, but I write a lot, guys, and I tend to write each and everything that I write down into the paper, because I feel like my diary is my best friend, where I can share, where I can write everything regarding my online business journey, regarding me as an artist in my own personal life, and all those things. So this is the new tripod stand that I bought for filming the YouTube videos. I just bought it recently only. I tend to hold my camera or the phone, like sometimes I record with the phone, other times I record with the camera. I record with both these things, so I just tend to hold it in my hand only, because I love recording it while still holding my camera or my phone in my hand, because I feel like I am having energy when I'm having it in my hand. But then today I'm gonna just keep my phone or my camera over here and just going to record it, and then we're just going to proceed with the real talk, guys. But now guys, I have already fixed my camera, my phone onto this tripod. Now sometimes I uses the camera for filming, sometimes I uses the DSLR, sometimes I uses the mobile phone, depending on whatever suits to me at that moment, and all that depending on that particular need and all those things. So I choose all those things based on my own personal things. So I have already fixed it too, and now I'm going to talk about the real stuff, the thing that I really want to address in this video. Now, so far you have been following my YouTube channel, you know that I have already made a 2 video talking, one about my own story on getting started with my first online business, another one on how I started my first online business with completely $0. If you want to check all those videos out, there would be in the card section above. But in today's videos, guys, I want to really address one issue that was really a little bit bothering me, and I felt like I really want to talk to you guys and really want to convey it to you, so maybe you can relate to it, maybe you felt connected to me, maybe you find it useful and all that. If you find it useful, let me know in the comment section below, guys. I would really love to have a conversation below with you in the comment section. So I really want to address that. And also, guys, like, if you have been following so far with my YouTube journey, you would be knowing that 60 days back or 90 days back, I wasn't getting that much views on my videos, but in like last 28 days or last 60 days, I was getting more of the views on my videos so far, and I'm gaining more of the subscribers and all that. So I was getting more of the views recently, and I am getting the haters, the dislikes, the bad comments, and I am getting it recently more often because my videos are getting more views and all that. In fact, one of the comment I really want to talk about that was so bad that I really removed that comment from my video, because I felt like I need to remove it. I don't really want to reply to that comment. In fact, I just want to remove it. I just want to ignore it, and I just want to talk to in some video and like that only. So I just removed that comment. In fact, I was also getting a few of the bad DMs as well, because I have my own art Instagram page in the description box below. If you want to check out my art Instagram page, you can check it in the description box below, guys. But I was getting the few of the bad DMs as well, the bad comments as well, although I have removed the bad comments if I have getting so far on my YouTube videos. The few of the dislikes and few of the haters and all those things, I was getting a lot on my videos, and I was like, I really want to talk about it. I really want to talk about this online entrepreneur journey. Like, I haven't seen so far it, and it suddenly came across to me, suddenly like showing me off, like, this is the side effect of being an online entrepreneur, guys. Now, I really want to tell you guys, that of course when you are making this online content, when you're producing these YouTube videos or writing blog articles or doing all those online stuff, you would be getting the bad comments, you would be getting the haters, you would be getting the dislikes no matter what you do, how good you look or how amazing you have the qualities or how much money you have, how luxurious your life is. There will always going to be some people who will always going to dislike you no matter whatever you do in your life. Whatever you make in those videos or do, there will always going to be some haters, some dislikes and all that. I know that, but I wasn't really expecting this comment, guys. I don't want to personally name that person because it would be unfair for that person, because I don't want to point out anyone, but I'm just gonna read that comment. Comment was that one of the person commented on my video. That was the Redbubble video. I don't remember which one that video was that, but that was comment like that I haven't made much onto the Redbubble. I haven't made, in fact, the $20 so far onto the Redbubble. That's why I didn't get my withdrawal from the Redbubble, because I haven't made much money onto the Redbubble so far, and that's why my Redbubble account has been suspended. Or I'm not a guru, I'm not an expert, I'm saying all these things bad in these YouTube videos, I'm just saying negative stuff in these videos, I don't have a productive stuffs and all those things. Like that comment was like kind of bad, but yeah, that comment was that like that. Although I'm not against that person, I'm not pinpointing that person, I'm not telling that person via this video that you are bad or something like that. No, I just want to tell you guys, like, making these YouTube videos is really a fun for me. I'm just making it because I love doing it. I'm just making it because I love doing it, and I'm sharing my knowledge so far with my experience with my online entrepreneur journey, with my online print on demand journey. I'm not an expert, I'm not a guru, or I'm not like an influencer, or I'm not like a coach who is just telling the things based on that big success or anything like that. No, guys. I'm like an artist. I'm like an artist like you. I'm like a designer like you who is selling their art and designs on these print on demand journey, who is having her first year in this online business journey and all that. So I'm just sharing, I'm just making all these online content based on my own personal experience, based on my own personal knowledge so far with these websites out there, and I'm just talking based on that. So I really want to tell you, I'm not a guru and I'm not an expert, guys, and I want to tell you that no matter what I do, I would be getting more of the dislikes, would be getting haters and all that. But I want to tell you that people comment so fast on somebody's videos without actually knowing that person in real life, without actually knowing someone in real life. They think that they are watching this YouTube video in this small horizontal box. So that's why they are knowing this person completely. No, guys. Like, you don't know what is there in someone else's life, how much they are going through right now, or what's going in their life, whether they are making money or not, how much they are making it. You don't know that person. Like, of course, I'm not saying bad, or I'm not pinpointing anything like that. I just want to say that leaving a bad comment is not a good thing. Like, I don't watch any other YouTube videos online, and if I find that that person in the YouTube is not giving an apt knowledge, is not giving a right knowledge, I don't dislike that video. I don't put a bad comment onto that video stating and directly telling that person that you are bad, you are not good enough, your knowledge is worse and all that. I don't do that, guys, because it actually takes a courage to make these YouTube videos. It actually takes a courage to put an online content out there, to actually expose yourself via this online journey. It's really take a courage, guys. And I really appreciate that whomsoever is making these YouTube videos, who is posting these comments, or who is also like making these online content and blog articles and all that. I really want to tell you that it takes courage to make such content. It really takes courage, guys. Being myself an introvert, I know that I am not that okay with the camera. Like, when I was getting started with making these YouTube videos, I was feeling kind of like a weird, like what I'm talking in front of the camera and all that. But I want to tell you that it takes courage to make these videos, to make any online content, and that's why I just respect other people. I respect other YouTubers, other online people, because it really takes courage to make these videos. Yeah, I really feel respectful for that. Even in fact their knowledge is not 100% apt, or even in fact what they are talking in their YouTube videos, I don't find it that much useful, but I don't leave a bad comment in their YouTube video saying that they are not an expert in this area, go somewhere else, listen to somebody else, they are bad, leave a bad comment or something like that. I don't do it, guys. This bad comment doesn't hurt me that much, but I feel like I really want to talk to you guys, really want to tell you guys, if you are also starting with a YouTube channel, or if you are also starting with your online business journey, making online content on the blog articles, on the Instagram, Facebook, whatever platform you're choosing and building that online content, I really want to tell you that it's not that easy to make these YouTube videos. It's not that fun, it's not that comfortable at the times to always make these YouTube videos, to always expose yourself, to always expose your life, your thoughts, your reviews, your face, in fact, in front of the camera. Like, it's not that easy, guys. And that's why I want to tell you that if you are starting with your online entrepreneur journey, and these bad comments, these haters, these people that are comparing me with this big online entrepreneur or these other YouTubers who has having more than 10 years of experience in this online print on demand journey, or who is having like 5 years or 3 years of experience in online journey or online print on demand journey, they are comparing me with them without knowing that this is my first year on the online print on demand journey, and they're comparing me with them. So I really want to share some tips. If you're also going currently right now with this situation and you're feeling stuck and you're feeling like, what I need to be doing next, should I stop making these videos, should I stop making these content, and should I just go back and return to my normal life without talking on the camera and all that? So that's why I'm going to share some of the tips that I'm personally doing in recently, only because I'm getting more of the comments, I'm getting more of the bad comments and dislikes, so I'm personally doing in my own life. So I really want to address those things, guys. That tip will maybe really going to help you guys. So the first tip that I have for you is take deep breaths. Whenever you are getting bad comment or dislike or any bad DMs or anything like that, I really want to tell you, take a deep breath. Because I was reading that comment, I was feeling anxious. I sometimes have an anxiety when I felt like I'm doing something and people are saying bad about me, people are disliking me. I suddenly go into that cycle of anxiety and I feel bad about it, that I just stop doing it and all that. So I really want to tell you guys, if you are like me and you get into the anxiety when you're getting that bad comment or bad reality, I really want to tell you that take deep breaths, take 3 deep breaths. So take that deep breath when you are getting that bad comment, because it will really going to calm your body, it will really going to calm your mind, your heartbeat, and you will really going to feel relaxed after doing that. So that is my first tip. The second tip that I have for you, which is after relaxing yourself by doing this breathing exercise, you can tell yourself how much money you have, how much success you have, or how good you look, or whatever like you can do. But there will always going to be haters, there will always going to be people who will never going to like your content, will going to dislike it, going to say bad about you, criticize you. So there will always going to be people like that. So this is the second thing that you need to remind yourself, that okay, it's okay, I know that I'm gonna get these things, I'm gonna get these things, so I just need to relax. I just need to relax and let myself feel calm, okay, cool, chill. So that is the second tip. The third tip that I have for you is read that thing after doing all those things and after feeling normal about it. Read that thing and comment. You will going to come across whether it's a constructive criticism, whether you need to improve on something, then you can go for that and you can improve on that thing, or whether it's just the hater, whether it's just the bad person, or whether it's just the person who are saying bad for you because they want to put you down, because they want to make you feel bad about yourself, they want to make you feel down for yourself. So that's why they are doing it. So you need to find a difference between these two. If it is a constructive criticism, then improve for that thing. If it is really a bad comment, guys, I really want to tell you that if it is really a bad comment and you feel that it's not a constructive criticism, then just ignore it, or I would say just delete that comment. Just delete that comment and just ignore it. Because if you are replying back to that person, if you're replying back to that comment, then you may get backfire for that comment, and that person would say something else or more negative about you, and that will going to make you feel more bad. So I would say delete that comment, ignore it if it is really bad, and if it is constructive criticism, then improve on that. based on my own experience. Like in the very beginning of this YouTube videos, you can see that my videos were having very low volume. Like some people were saying that they couldn't hear me very well because my voice in the video was very soft, was very low, and I was getting that thing, and I was like, yeah, this is a constructive criticism. I actually need to work on this. Why is this happening? I really need to edit my videos in this way, or really need to increase my volume, my mic volume, or whatever it is. I really need to work on that. So now I really work into that. I make changes to it, that so now my videos are much better than my previous one. I'm improving it again, guys. I'm still improving daily, and I'm still learning more from you guys as well, more from the other people as well. So I'm still learning, I'm still improving. So this is my personal experience with the constructive criticism, guys. Now real talk that I actually want to talk in this video, guys. I hope that this video is related to you. In fact, you can connect to it and find my tips useful. Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to talk with you in the comment section below, guys. And if you want more such real talks about being an online entrepreneur, being an online business owner, whatever you can call it, if you want to know more about me in general and talking more about the real stuff, let me know in the comment section below. I'll make more such videos talking about being an online entrepreneur and how to deal with these things, and how I am also dealing with these things, guys, because I am not perfect. I am still dealing with these things. I'm still improving daily. I'm still learning from it. I am not perfect. I want to tell you guys, I am not perfect. I'm still learning. I'm still improving. So if you want me to make more such videos and talk more about these things, let me know in the comment section below, guys. And that's it for today's videos, guys. I hope you really enjoyed today's videos because it was a little bit different. And that's it for today's videos, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye.